guys, welcome to KK Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we'll learn how to write a SQL query to find a second or third highest salary from employee table, right? So here the approach I'm going to use that is a nested subquery. I will use the nested subqueries and will try to find second and as well as third highest salary. So I'm going to write two different query. In first query we'll try to find the second highest salary, and second query we'll see how we can convert that query to get the third highest salary. Yeah. So here I have an employee table. Let me show you. And here basically if I click on the employee, then in salary column, then this column gets shorted, and here you can see this is the first highest salary, then second highest salary, third highest salary. We have a 3,037, something like this. So now this column name is sal and table name is EMP. So now I'm going to first of all write a SQL query which will fetch second highest salary from EMP table. So I will write select, and if you want to get the max salary from employee table, then we have a function is called max. So that I'm going to use, but here I'm not going to get the max salary but second max salary. So max, there I'm going to supply the column name as sal, right, from employee EMP, right, and here I'm going to use where salary not in. First of all I'm going to apply salary not in, and here again I'm going to write select max salary from EMP. This is the first query I have written, nested subquery. Sorry, select max from EMP, right? This query is really easy to understand. Let me format this query. So what basically I'm doing over here, if you look at a nested query, so this will give you the max salary from the employee, which is 5,000, right? Now 5,000 will be replaced here if nested query will be executed, right? Now query will become like select max salary from employee where salary not in 5,000. Means if you exclude the 5,000, which is the max salary, then what will be the max salary? Second highest salary. And that's how this query gets executed. And here is this 3100 is the second max salary which will get, right? So this is the way to basically get the second max salary. This query can be written in some different format like this. So I would say select max salary from employee where salary shall less than select max salary from employee. This will also work. If I run this query, then you can see the same output I get over here, right? Now let's say I would like to get the third max salary. So this is basically one more layer of nesting is needed to get the third max salary. So just I have written this query again, just I have copied and pasted over here. And what I'll do, so we required one more layer of nesting. So just I'm opening bracket over here, closing here, and before this opening bracket I'm going to write select max sal from EMP, right, where sal less than whatever less than this, right? Why this is saying compilation error, I don't know. Sorry, the spelling mistake. Yeah. Now if I execute this query, then this will give us the third highest salary, right? Third highest salary is 3,000. If you look into the third highest salary 3,000, and there are two employees whose salary is 3,000, so one of them will be returned, right? And that's the way to basically write to get the second or third highest salary from employee table, right? I hope you understood. This query is a little slower because we used nested query, right? Nested subqueries, right? Query inside the query. So in next video tutorial, we'll learn how to write a generic SQL query to fetch nth highest salary. When I say nth highest salary, that means that query should be much more enough to get the second highest salary, third highest salary, fourth highest salary, any basically nth highest salary we can get from that query, right? That should be the generic and that will be executed on any database. Of course, this query is also valid for not for Oracle but other database as well, right? So that's all I have in this video tutorial, guys. Big thank you for watching this video and see you there in the next video tutorial.